On this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sign and cut it out. If you don't need rounded corners, it might be easier to just create the sign and use the multiples feature, even if you're only cutting out one. So I'll do that first here, okay? So I have a 4" by 4" sign blank here. Go to my text tools. I'll take the first one in. I'm going to type in any old text. Okay, now say I want to cut this sign out. I'm done. I get out of text editing mode. If I want to cut out just one sign, I'm going to go, again, select what I'm going to multiply, which is my text. Then I'm going to go to multiples, which is this little stack here. Okay, in this screen, I'm going to put down the size. The first thing I do is type in the size of the sheet of plastic I'm putting down. So I have a 4 by 4 on the screen, so I'm going to change this to like 4.5 by 4.5. Okay. Next, I need some margin around so the cutter doesn't come up and engrave the scale bars. So I'll put in 0.2 on the top. I'll put 0.2 all the way around because it doesn't matter. Okay. I'm going to tell it up here I only want to do one. Okay, the top. And I'm going to tell it score lines over here. I'm going to drop this down and say score lines. And the score line color I'll have red. I click OK. And there it is. I got the text and I got it's a dashed line. When you use multiples, it's a dashed cutout line, which is fine. So it's only going to cut that particular one out. The way I did it originally when I was there, I'll show you that one. I'm going to go new. Say no to that one. I'll put in again 4 by 4. Click OK. I'll put in my text. Any old text. Okay. I'm done. Now I want to cut this out, right? So I could draw a 4" by 4" square box around here and center it. Or the easy way is to go layout, plate frame. So that actually drew a box right around the sign blank size. You can see it selected, right? I'm going to go immediately down here and change it to some other color like red, something other than the text. So I'll click red. Okay? So now I am ready to cut this out. However, I have to move it down and to the right because I don't want to engrave on the scales. So what I need to do is increase my plate size. So I'll go here again. Now I'll make this 4.5. Click OK. All right. I'm going to select the entire job, box and text. And I'm just going to take it and drag it down. So I'm away from the rulers. Ready to go. So I hope that one helps.